Local Y129 is headed down what is now known as the NAB Branch. Once this line was a B&O line that ran from New Albany, Indiana to North Vernon, Indiana. The B&O crossed the KNIT Bridge at New Albany to gain access to the Louisville's 3rd Street station for its passenger trains. The line ran northeast to North Vernon, where it connected to the B&O's St. Louis line, which connected Cincinnati to St. Louis. The line currently runs only to Charlestown, Indiana, and allows the railroad to serve the former Indiana Ammunitions Depot and the Port of Indiana, and one other industry. The line was abandoned by CSX in 1985, north of Charlestown to North Vernon, and the rails and ties were torn out a few years later. Clag Tower was built by the Pennsylvania Railroad and controls the lift bridge over the Ohio River and the Portland Canal to allow boat traffic to bypass the falls of the Ohio. The Pensy had a roundhouse, small freight yard, and freight house just south of the bridge. Today, Clag Tower is the only structure that remains at the complex. The P&L have units that pay tribute to Kentucky's rich basketball history, with the University of Kentucky Unit Number 1998 and the University of Louisville Unit Number 2013.